Sony's newest APS-C mirrorless camera market product, the a6700, is aimed squarely at serious amateur photographers. It easily records video and still images because of its 26-megapixel Backside Illuminated CMOS sensor and extensive set of shooting modes. Design. The 2019 a6600, when paired with the correct lens, was wowed with its tiny form factor and reliable imaging skills. The screen's lack of full mobility was a significant drawback, though. The a6700 fixes this problem by including a screen that can be bent in any direction, thus expanding the device's usefulness. The a6700 takes cues from the ZV series of logger cameras with its responsive touchscreen, which can be used for various tasks, including adjusting the camera's focus and settings. Its interface is well thought out and straightforward, with readily accessible controls, including mode dials and exposure compensation knobs. The camera is small, but it has an excellent, firm grip. The a6700 is versatile because of its small size and abundant ports: micro HDMI, USB-C, 3.5mm audio jack, and headphone jack. However, it is essential to remember that the camera only has one SD card slot and does not support using two cards simultaneously. The a6700 is a powerful and convenient solution because of its portability and user-friendliness. Video and stills. Compared to its forerunner, the a6600 is vastly superior, especially in video recording. The new a6600 supports 4K at 120 FPS with 10-bit 4:20 and 200 megabytes per second, while the previous model only supported 4K at 30 FPS. This allows for high-resolution movies to be slowed down while still playing smoothly. However, the 120 FPS mode crops the image by 1.58x, so the sensor width isn't used. Sony's a6700 format, which records up to 600 megabytes per second, can capture 4K 4:2 to 10-bit footage at up to 60 frames per second. The larger size of these files necessitates fast SDXC cards and plenty of storage space. The camera's thermal design, 26-megapixel APS-C sensor, and Bion's XR image processing engine allow these heightened capabilities. The sensor's 759 phase detection points allow for fast, precise focusing in any lighting condition, and it also uses contrast detection autofocused to cover 93% of the sensor surface. The camera's auto and manual shooting modes and AI-enhanced features produce stunning results every time. When paired with a capable camera, a quality lens may bring out the best in your photos by enhancing features like sharpness, color accuracy, depth perception, and bokeh. The 26-megapixel sensor produces low noise levels in the dark, allowing for clear images. Furthermore, the rolling shutter effect looks less noticeable during camera movement than in prior APS-C versions. AI smarts changed the game. The a7600 has impressive still and motion video shooting capabilities and quality. More recent Sony models have the Bion's XR image processor, which features artificial intelligence enhancements. The a7600 goes above and beyond the capabilities of its predecessors when it comes to recognizing the eyes and faces of animals. When the mode is switched to human, it follows the user's head and torso to ensure a steady gaze while moving. Thanks to autofocus, you never have to worry about missing your target or losing your subject when shooting from out of frame. Whether taking stills or recording video, the camera has no trouble identifying insects such as bumblebees and butterflies and can keep them in sharp focus. It can now identify vehicles and aircraft as well. The a7600 takes its cue from ZV cameras and has auto-framing, which dynamically crops video according to the subject's position. This is a valuable feature, especially for fast, accurate shooters. Even with 4K high bitrate recording, the battery life is respectable, providing around 90 minutes of recording time. You can keep shooting for longer with USB-C's quick power delivery charging. Verdict: the a6700 from Sony has all one might hope for from a tiny camera. Superior still and moving image quality propelled by cutting-edge autofocus and artificial intelligence technologies. Insect detection, human body tracking, motion tracking, and automatic video framing are valuable features. This camera's high bit-rate capture and clever features provide exceptional photos, and autofocus is quick and painless. It's flexible enough to suit various users, and there's also a manual option for finer control. The a6700 is an outstanding and powerful device despite its plain appearance, but it does not come cheap. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any of our videos.